Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, John K. It's your friend John here, back with another video. Hope you guys are doing fine. It's a lovely afternoon. I thought of making one more fun video. So today I'm going to do a food vlog. It's my first time, and as you can see, these are some drinks I have kept. So this is just a fun video. It has nothing to do with any advertising or any promotion of any product whatsoever. This is just a food vlog. I would like to taste these products, these drinks. There are 3 varieties, and what is their flavor, how it tastes. So hope you guys will like it. So let's begin. So first let's try this. These 2 are same. This is a mocktail drink. The name of this drink is Krebova. So let's try this. I have a glass. By the way, this has no alcoholic content in these drinks. Wow. This drink is written as kiwi mojito mocktail drink. And it contains kiwi and lemon, some mint leaves, pudina. Okay, let's try this. Wow, it's good. It's flavorful, strong flavor, good to the taste buds. So refreshing. This drink, when you get tired, come back home. This drink is really energizing. Okay, this is done. It was good. I like it. Now let's consume this. This is an electrolyte drink. It's an energy drink. Name is, I don't know, it's written G, Gatorade, 0 sugar. So let's try out this also. Okay friends, let's test how this drink is. Completely different. This drink, it does not contain any, it does not feel like any fruity odor, but it has some refreshing taste. It straightly goes to your body and energizes you. So this drink would be good while going for jogging, rehydrate yourself, or going for long distance walk, or coming back after a game, sports. Wow, a unique taste. I can describe easily. This is done. Finally, yeah. This is cocktail drink. I have never tasted cocktail in my life. This is my first time. This is Jimmy's Cocktails, this is named. It is composed of cranberry, lemon, orange and triple sec. So let's try out this drink. How it tastes. Actually I have already removed this. It's not simple to open. I made use of this scissor to open it because I even tried with my teeth but I couldn't. That's why I open it with the means of a scissor. Okay friends, let's enter into how it tastes into the whole of this new drink. Wow, this tastes, I would say, sophisticated. I can't even describe. This taste is very wholesome, it completely rejuvenates you. Goes straight to the body and the mind also. And strong taste. Yeah, obviously it's a blend of fruity flavor. This drink is be good to drink around with friends, on evening after discussions or while doing discussion, while having a friendly meetup or in picnic and so on. This drink will really make your day. It's good. Wow. No words to describe. It's too good. So it's done, friends. I'm satisfied. So like I said, sorry, the sound of a helicopter. So sorry for the setup here. I'm not that advanced. I don't know how to properly arrange the setup for video. Plus I'm just starting out. I don't have much equipment, some advanced equipment. This is what I have. So I thought of making this video, just fun video. Hope it entertain you. And like I said before at the start, this video is just a food blog. It has nothing to do, or it is not related to any promotional or advertising video of any product or brand. Just bought these drinks as I was coming back from somewhere across a shopping mall. So I just went in and bought this. So I thought of sharing with you this video. So guys, I hope you liked my video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, John Cake. Please do subscribe, like, share. So bye friends, hope you all are doing well. Have a wonderful day. Meet you in the next video. Okay, bye friend.